Good morning, dear students. As you know, today is our SST activity. So this is activity time. Students, today we are going to do activity on important parallels of latitude and heat zones of the earth. So let's continue. This activity you will need a waste cardboard sheet, scissors, colors, black marker, ruler, A3 size sheet, 2 and a glue. So student, firstly you will take any waste cardboard sheet that is available at your home, okay, and what you have to do is take with the help of a circular object. You can say plate is there at our home, okay. With the help of that plate, draw a circle, medium size plate you can take, and you can draw a circle on it like this. Now you will cut this circle with the help of the cutter or a scissor. Take help of your parents while doing that. Like this. Now in the center draw a line. This line divides the circle into two equal parts. The upper part is known as, this part is known as northern hemisphere, okay, and the small down part is known as the southern hemisphere. This line that divides the earth into two parts is known as equator. With the help of this sheet, you will draw a circle on A4 size sheet and cut the circle in circular shape this way. Okay, now what you have to do, you will fold this circle into two equal parts like this. After that, what we will got the line at the center. That line is known as the equator of the earth. Okay students, paste this part on A4 size sheet with the help of glue or Fevicol. As you know, the earth rotates on its own axis. Okay, so what is an axis? Axis is a line that passes through the center of the earth and it has two ends. The first end is known as, the upper end is known as North Pole. This is North Pole. And the lower end is known as South Pole. Okay students. Now I'll tell you, if I'll go to the northern side, so equator, this is the equator and it divides the earth into two parts. The upper part is known as northern part and the lower part is known as southern part. Okay, now there are more important parallels in the northern part. Let us talk about that one. Now what we have to do is, we have to divide the earth into important parallels, right? We will make two more important parallels over here. So if the most important parallel is equator, and after that in northern hemisphere the important parallel after equator is known as Tropic of Cancer, and we can call it as parallel of 23.5 degree north. So this is the Tropic of Cancer. Okay, now the second important parallel is Arctic Circle, or we can call it as 66.5 degree north. So this is the second important parallel in the northern hemisphere. And if we talk about the last important parallel latitude is known as North Pole. Okay, that is on 90 degree north. Okay, we see the parallel of latitude in the southern side. The Tropic of Capricorn is the first parallel and we can call it as parallel of 23.5 degrees south. So this is the Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, now we will see that next is Antarctic Circle, or we can call it parallel at 66.5 degrees south. So this way we will paste it with the help of glue. And the last parallel is South Pole. So this is the South Pole at 90 degree south. Okay, so these are the important parallels of 90 degree south. Southern hemisphere is denoted with S. So these are the important parallels of latitudes. Now we'll talk about the sun and the heat zone of the earth, right? So sun is rises in the east, okay, and this zone from here, Tropic of Capricorn and Tropic of Cancer, this zone receive direct sun rays, okay. So this zone that is lies between the Tropic of Capricorn in the southern hemisphere and Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere, this zone is the hottest zone of the earth, okay, and it is known as torrid zone. So it is lies between the Tropic of Cancer in northern hemisphere to Tropic of Capricorn in southern hemisphere, okay. Now temperate zone is having moderate climate, neither it's too cold nor it's too hot, okay, and it is in both the part, like in northern hemisphere also, in southern hemisphere is. Why the temperature is moderate? Because this zone receives slanting sun rays, right? So that's why that zone is having moderate climate. When we talk about the frigid zone, frigid itself means a coolest, right? On this zone receives nil sunlight rays, okay, means they are getting less or nil sun rays, okay. So that's why it is the coolest zone of the earth, okay. So there are three zones, and the frigid zone lies between the Antarctic Circle to the South Pole in the southern part, and if we talk about in northern part, it lies between the Arctic Circle to the North Pole, okay. The temperate zone lies between Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere, and in the southern hemisphere it lies between the Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. So students, this is all about the important parallels of latitude and heat zones. Now you will try it yourself, understand it in a better way. Thank you and have a nice day.